Hi, I'm Walt Barrett. Today we're going to show you the proper way and the proper tools to use to clean your battery terminals. Before we start, you should read the safety instructions very carefully. This end is for cleaning the inside of the battery terminal cable. This side is for cleaning the actual post on the battery. The red color on the battery posts is anti-corrosion spray. Now we're going to remove the ground side of the battery cable first. We're using a 10mm box end wrench. Always remove the battery ground cable first and replace it last. This prevents sparking, which could cause accumulated gases in the battery to explode. Now we're going to use the battery brush and clean the negative terminal. Do this until it's nice and shiny. Now, using the opposite end of the brush, you can clean the inside of the negative or ground battery cable. Leave the ground off for now and put it on last. Now we're going to go to the positive cable and repeat the exact same process. And when we're finished, we'll put the positive cable back on first. Now we're going to clean the positive battery post. Push the brush down hard over the post and twist briskly until the post is shiny. Now we're going to put the battery cable back on the positive side. Remember, always replace the positive cable first. Be sure to always replace the ground cable last. This avoids sparking. Check your water levels in your battery often. If you follow our free guides, you will save a lot of money. Thank you very much.